in the safe presence of their drawing rooms and intolerant talk of communal hostility, and it's a danger to civic societies till they empty out a bottle or two of important stomach. Equally responsible are the so-called religious. Surely people on the both sides of the communities who perform religious rituals so that they can go high in the estimation of themselves by the people who their sect. No, the suggestion that stays at us is, can there be a solution to the larger than life problem of communal divide and hostility which are the facing till today? The playwright tries to answer this question through the delineation of the certain judicial, even hatred characters with their rational and constructive approach in the play, where experience Ramnik and the youth Smita, Baban and Javed provide a hope in this regard. Ramnik Gandhi seems to be the only sensible human being among the senior, always adopting the consolatory approach towards the one and all. He is not harder communal like his mother, and with Aruna, his heart is full of compassion, affection, and fellow the feeling towards the oppressed one. That is why he extended the help hand to Muslim boys and saves their lives from the violent mob by giving them shelter in his house. Even against a strong protest from his wife and mother, he never wants to his daughter spend much time in the company of his mother because he fears that the old lady can impress the tender mind of Smita and communal tinge. Therefore, he argues with Taruna about Smita spending time in the company of Hardika. Aruna straightly Smita to go bar and sit with her till I call you. Smita makes to go Ramnik. I think Ba will be fine. There is no need. Aruna, she hasn't spent much time with Ba. She must learn to be elders. Ramnik, Ba will ramble on about old bores her to tears. Now, Aruna and Ramnik is discussing that Smita should spend her more time with her grandmother because that Aruna is giving justification that she should understand the our old customs, traditions, and the religious related matters. Smita, it's all right, Daddy. I'll go. Ramnik, I don't like her listening to Ba. Aruna goes to the kitchen and begging and clearing. Why, Ramnik? Not now. Not when all this is happening. Aruna, Ba will tell her about her times. What is wrong with that? Ramnik, Ba doesn't tell her everything that happened. Aruna, good. If she did, it will become the 10 times longer than the Ramayana. Ramnik, Ba doesn't know. or she pretended she does not know the everything. Aruna, she will tell what happened to her and what is the truth. It. I don't want to telling my daughter that those people are demolished. Dattani explains now. The person of